How are you all doing? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be using Mega Meowstic. Right, this one got a Mega in the DLC and it got a pretty nice buff to its both special attack and speed. Right, so it hits 124 after Mega evolving and I think 143 I think special attack, right? And you actually want to use the female version if you are going to be using Mega, because it actually runs earth power. It's a pretty good coverage move for Magearna and just steel types in general, right? So yeah, and you want to run the male if you want to run the support set with like prankster and such, right? So we're just running standard 4 attack set. Expanding force is over 150 base power in psychic terrain. Yeah, it also gets psychic surge after mega evolving, right? So pretty good there. And just the standard is just rest is coverage, thunderbolt for Corviknight, Skarmory, and Moonblast for dark types are power, because Mega Meowstic doesn't really have any solid switch-ins right now. The only prominent dark types, right, are Darkrai and Mega Absol. Mega Absol, especially because we are running web support, right? So Mega Absol can't obviously Shadow Sneak you under Psychic Terrain, and Darkrai you can work around it, and that's why we have sticky web support with Slurpuff, because Mega Meowstic hits 386 speed after Mega Evolving, right? Yeah, or is it 372? No, I think it's 386. Yeah, I believe so. So it's basically really fast, but there are faster mons now, especially the Z Megas and Zeraora and such. So the webs allows you to slow them all down, and you can just OHKO them with expanding force. Then we have Air Balloon Goldingo, just a defog blocker, spin blocker, general set, nasty block 3 attacks, max, special attack and speed. We're not going bulky because I don't think, I mean, we are going to be playing aggressively anyways with this team. Then we have Life or Blaziken. It is protect and 3 attacks. I'm not running SD. I could run SD, but I don't think we need it. Just immediate power from Life Orb is enough to OHKO many things. Then we actually have Skarmory as the rocker, and I was thinking of actually putting Glamora in, but then I realized that if I run into a Sand Rush Excadrill, I'm basically toast, right? It just defeats the entire team. Even after webs, it's faster and everything. Even though and once Goldingo's balloon is gone, it would be pretty much over. It would pretty much be over, right? So yeah, we're just running max defense, Skarmory, helmet, and then we have the SD substitute skill shot earthquake guard chop. I just love this set. Takes advantage of a lot of things, a lot of mons that would switch in as thinking they would block it, especially Rotom, who would think that it could just wisp it or hydro pump it, but substitute allows you to basically stall it out because it can't wisp you, and you hydro pump has a 15% chance to miss, right? So you can always capitalize on that. So yeah, this is the team, and Meowstic and Blaziken couple with each other pretty well, because anything that wants to switch into Meowstic does not want to take on Blaziken, and vice versa. So yeah, let's get into some battles. So we are back with our first battle, and we are faced with a Mega Starmie, which we can deal with. We just need webs up, and Mega Meowstic actually cleans this team up pretty well. Even Blaziken just destroys everything. Yeah, it's probably Tank Chomp, and I think it's obviously Mega Starmie. Bandit Zera, Scarf, I think it's Scarf Laddie, and I think it would be Balloon Goldingo on this team. Because otherwise Modebreaker, Scarf Excadrill completely destroys this team, right? So just lead off with Slurpuff, as my opponent goes with Melmetal, and I can just sack it here after getting a webs. It does go for a double iron bash. I could have gone Skarmory, but it is what it is. Okay. Here I will go Skarmory, and I think I will get a rocks, right? I think I have to. Yeah, I get a rocks here. As my opponent goes Guard Chomp, it is definitely Tank Chomp. I will go hard Meowstic. Yep, I think expanding force should OHKO it, no problem. The way it came out, it should be Assault Vest. Otherwise, it does not take Meowstic on at all. It is Assault Vest. Okay. So we just go Skarmory again. Just Thunder Punches, good play. But I have the helmet. I will just roost this off. Go Skarmory, a Starmie. Most likely to spin. But I will always go Goldingo. Because especially Melmetal now is in range, it can't switch into Meowstic anymore. And Goldingo should live one liquidation pretty easily. And oh, my opponent just DC'd. And I don't think he would be coming back. Because at this point, Goldingo wins as well. And Meowstic just wins as well. Is he gonna come back? I don't know. Oh, he's back. He's back. Okay. He is back. So he should go for the spin here. And liquidates, which is a good play. But he can't go for the priority move here. So we just Shadow Ball. He does end up sacking the Melmetal now. I say sack, but my god, bro. Holy. Okay, I don't want to sack you. I'm gonna go Skarmory. As he goes for EQ. Just fine. I should just Roost. Or just Brave Bird, I think. I'm gonna Roost as he goes Garchomp. Could go for Dragon Tail here. I could also put a Whirlwind on this set, but we'll see. I'm going to go hard Meowstic again. He goes for Spikes as I thought. Expanding Force, he sacks the Melmetal. I think to go Goldingo? You should go Goldingo. But everything else just gets OHKO'd. Goes Starmie. It dies to Thunderbolt. Yep. I think Goldingo is offensive there. Otherwise he would have gone into it already. It's not Balloon. I mean, he can't spin anymore, right? Just good for us. Yeah, I'm gonna sack Goldingo here because he just dies anyways. See what he wants to do. Thunder Rage, so it's a support set. Lefties, so it would have definitely lived for sure. And that is indeed Tank Chomp. We can go our own Garchomp here easily. And I think just Scale Shot is the best option. Or Substitute could also be good. I'm actually going to I'm going to sub. Yeah, as he goes Ladi. Beautiful. I mean, he could defog, but us getting Scale Shot off here pretty much will solidify our win. He does go for Draco. He's definitely Scarf. I mean, if we get 3, we just knock it out. But we don't. Just like always. Man, come on. How many times am I gonna get 2? I mean, Ladi is dead on entry now, which is good for us. Do not. I'm gonna go Skarmory. Because he is definitely Choice Scarf. 37 is crazy still. Just Roost. Goes Garchomp again. That is fine. I think I should just Golding is still at full, right? I think it's still at full. I'm gonna go Meowstic. I mean, it could definitely Earthquake me. I think it would kill me. Dragon Tail. Oh, that's bad. Biskin. Okay. Okay. CC here. EQs. And I go Meowstic here and just exhaust it out completely now. Expanding Force. You should just sack this. I mean, Goldingo definitely lives. Like, that's for sure. Because it's most definitely max HP. Does go gold. And I will just Earth Power. Let's see how much it does. 68. We got a split def draw, but doesn't matter. No matter what. And we should be fine because Ladi dies on entry and Zeraora, if it's a Scarf, then still can't beat both Skarmory and Garchomp. So we just Earthquake and it should be the game. So Meowstic put in some good work. I just love this mon, honestly. The Mega it got really, and I hope it gets Psychic Surge even when the official abilities come out with Pokemon Champions. The Expanding Force just hits so hard. Like even in AV it resisted Melmetal. I mean, it is Steel type, right? It also took like 26, I believe. Yeah, it should be over. And Zeraora can, there's no one move Zeraora can lock into, even if it's Scarf. That would be both of us. Just Earthquake, and yeah, that's game. That is indeed GG. You're at 1690 now, very pretty close to 1700. But I will see you all with the next game. We are back with the second game. That took a long while. I mean, I am pretty high up on the ladder, so it does take a while to find games. And we do see a Hippo. But yeah, Meowstic looks crazy. It does deal with everything, especially after webs, and the defogger is definitely Ladi. And it could be Scarf as well. I think it's, or the Floette could be Scarf as well, otherwise it would be Specs. No, it's Mega. Oh yeah, it's Mega Floette. It is pretty especially tanky. We will obviously lead off with Slurpuff. Floette comes out. Do you get Magic Coat? I feel like you do. Do you? We're gonna get the Webs. It just goes for Moonblast. And I just sack this at this point, right? I could save it for Endeavor. And Hound's one is slower than me after web, so that's pretty nice. Doesn't have anything to hit Goldingo with, but Goldingo is pretty good by itself in this game as well. I will Endeavor. Oh, that's perfect for us. It's actually so good for us. And just explode. Alright, does Floette get Draining Kiss? I actually don't remember. It Vicious. Okay, bro. I think I just go Gold. And I just Nasty Plot. Because he's going to protect, right? Oh, that works as well. Alternatively, I could go Garchomp as well. Do I just risk the focus blast? I could. F it, man, F it. Ah, we missed. He missed as well? Oh, he missed as well. Okay, okay. Reload, reload. Come on, yay. Oh my god. We lived. And he just every train is pretty crazy still. But we are going to go into Meowstic now. Like, bro, it might just beat everything. Right? I'll go Meowstic and I'm just expanding force. Because he will just sack it obviously. But yeah, we get rid of that thing. I mean, if Hippo is not spit def, it should get O-code. Those Lari. Lari does not O-code me with anything. I can't kill it with Moon Blast. I don't have switches to it anyways. It could default for all I know. Moon Blast, it doesn't kill. Oh shit, it's going to default. Right. Okay. Big problem. I mean, I just Moon Blast here again. Honestly. Yeah. Just Moon Blast again. That is being gone is annoying, because Houndstone will be really annoying now. Goes Float. Against Float, I think I have to go Blaziken, right? Yep. I have to go Blaziken. He wishes. I mean, I can just protect here. Go Zip out on. It's fine. I will obviously go Skarmory. And get my own rocks, right? Yeah. I do have Brave Bird, and I will click it here. That's so strong, even though I'm not Spadef, but still. Okay, it does have defense investment, obviously. I'm gonna Roost here because he's going to Wish. Okay, that works for us actually. I might just put Corviknight on here if I'm just using rocks. Right? Greninja comes out, and Greninja just destroys me, doesn't it? It goes crazy versus me. It's going to definitely go for the Dark type move here. On the off chance it doesn't, or do I just Brave Bird this thing? If I lose Meowstic, I just lose anyways. He has to Dragon Dark Pulse here, right? There's no way he doesn't click it. And Brave doesn't do enough, that's the problem. But I guess I have to go Meowstic, right? I have to risk it. Maybe he does go for a water type move. He does, and we live. Here I just click Moon Blast, right? It does hit Hippo as well. But Sand is pretty annoying, but I have to just click Moon Blast. It does go Hippo. Hippo's Boots, and it's max Spadef. Ah, okay. Right then. Just expanding force. He should not switch in. I'm gonna switch out. Floette should die. It should definitely die. Yeah, but Floette doesn't matter really. I think I just lose to Greninja at this point. Could be wrong. I could be wrong. He definitely goes Houndstone here. I will go Garchomp. Just go Houndstone. Garchomp lives one, that's for sure. Houndstone should be adamant, right? Your max speed, we would go to 490, maybe 500, so we should outspeed it after Scale Shot. I will go for Scale Shot. Okay, we just miss Andy's Will-O-Wisp. What? I'm gonna go for Scale Shot here again. He goes Hippo. Hippo just destroys me at this point, right? Yep. SD here. He slacks off unless we get a crit. But I think it's still banded, but it is Wisp as well. That's the only explanation. Here I will go Skarmory. Do I do just Earthquake? I'm gonna Earthquake once. See what he wants to do. Does slack off. I'll go Skarmory. Because he can't really touch us. He has to go for Whirlwind. Come on, bro, you've won already, come on. Greninja just wins. Nice 19. Should Whirlwind. It's over, man. It's pretty over at this point. Yeah, just close combat. 41 is pretty good, actually. Yeah, it's over. Yeah, GG. Unfortunate. Okay, I'm gonna find the next game and catch you there. Okay, we're back and it's Webs versus Webs. But good thing is that Meowstic is faster than all of them at base speed, so even after Webs, right, we should be faster if Webs are up on both sides. And Goldigo is Balloon, so that's pretty good. We'll just get Webs up here. What's the point of that? What's the point of that? What we DC'd? What the hell? Yeah, I'm gonna get a oh, it's actually Mega Darkrai, right? Now that I see it, yes, Mega Darkrai. And I get a My Webs now. What was the point of Magical there? Misty Explosions. Oh, what was that? That was just pointless extra turn. He goes Garchomp. I mean, I will explode now. Obviously. Yep. I think it is Tank Chomp. It should be Tank Chomp anyways. It is, and Meowstic actually gets the competitive boost here, right? I could go Garchomp and Skill Shot here. But I am gonna go Meowstic. Gets the competitive boost. And here I just Moonblast, right? And he won't go hard Darkrai anyways. I'm actually gonna Expanding Force. Yeah, he's not gonna go Darkrai anyways. I better not reveal Moonblast. Maybe he just doesn't know that we have it. Does end up going gold. And gold's pretty annoying. He's definitely faster than me as well here. Oh wow. I have to sack something now. Definitely want to keep Blaziken. I think I just sack Skarmory. Maybe a little Spidef investment won't really hurt, right? Make sure I make sure I don't get 2-hit cured by a Shadow Ball. But yeah, it should just kill me here. I will go my own goal now, because I'm also building. And just Shadow Ball here. As he decides to sack Sarilage. Okay. I mean, I guess I didn't really need him, right? Because I can terrains up anything anyway. Darkrai does come out. I think I just hit it anyways. Or do I go hard Blaziken? I definitely hit it. You mean you will SD obviously. We got nice damage on. It goes for knockoff. He doesn't SD. Oh, that's actually so good for Garchomp, right? Okay. I mean, it could be Scarf Keldeo. I think we go Blaziken here. We go Blaziken and we just CC. Yep. If he just doesn't go for the Sucker Punch anyways. I think he was going for SD, predicting I would protect, but was Keldeo. I will protect here. He's probably Specs if I had to guess. CC here. Ooh. Man, I think I do need a faster rocker here. Because with rocks this would have been already been over. It's lefties. Okay. It's fine, it's fine. Here's the problem. Is the Gordingo nasty plot? I think it is, and if it is, it will win. Oh man, I think it is nasty plot. Yeah, we're expanding force here, obviously. I was faster? Wait, I win. Wow, he's a really bulky set. I should just kill him, yeah. Well, I had no idea I was faster. Well, I guess that's the price you pay for bulk, right? Yeah, pretty good win there as well. It did get a little shiced. Actually, looking at the hindsight, I should not have stacked gold, but we did manage to pull off the win at the end. So pretty nice.